Okay, so this is for the breadboard project, and to start I'm going to go ahead and check the LED bulb, make sure that it's not burned out or anything. And as you can see, it's up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the battery. I'm going to take the positive red end and connect it to the blue side on the far left. And I'm going to take the black negative end to the far right side and the red, connect it. Then I'm going to take my resistor of 330 ohms, or orange, brown, gold, and I'm going to put it right below the red wire in the blue column. I'm going to take the other side to 10A, and I'm going to take my cable, and I'm not sure if it's going to work because I don't know if you can see it, but the cables are really short, but you would plug each of the ends in and hopefully the bulb would light up. So we're going to try it. I'm going to take the tip to the resistor, put it in 10B, yeah, the end of it doesn't want to go in, but it would go into 10B. And then you take the ring, we're going to take the ring down to 15C. And then you take the sleeve and put it right next to the ring, so go into 15D. And then you take the other end of it, and you would take the other end of the sleeve to 15D, or I'm sorry, 15H. And the ring would go right next to it in 15G. And the tip we'll take down to 10J. And then the LED comes next, and the tip goes into 10I. And then the other end goes into the red column. And if this end of the cable, the pieces aren't long enough to all fit into where they need to go, but if they could all fit, your light bulb would light up. So let's try this one more time and see if I can get them to stretch. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you just saw that, but it lit up for a second. So, I don't know if you can see the bulb lit up or not, but yeah. So the energy is flowing from the negative side, which is the black side of the battery, to the positive side. and therefore lighting up the bulb.